Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be flying the Iflight Alpha DC-5. Yeah, let's see what we think. It is a cine whoop, as you guys have seen, and yeah, I just kind of want to take it for a whip around. The footage you guys are seeing is what I am seeing in my DVR, so that is what you will be seeing if you purchase one of these little guys. It's probably more of an indoor whoop if I'm being perfectly honest, but you know, we'll use it for outdoor whoopage. It does get blown around a little bit though. Oh, definitely feel the wind on this guy. You will definitely feel it, guys. You can definitely feel the lightness. The wind really does get to her, but here's the cool part. You can go pretty much anywhere you want. Got the CADX Vista on board, so a little small guy, keep down on the weight. I just love how tiny it is. Like, we're just out here zipping around, anything and everything. The only thing is also make sure you don't hit even the tiniest of leaves, because if you do, guess what? That's taking you down. It's not like a 5-inch. Your 5-inch could handle it. This guy cannot, and that was a little bit of a tight spot. But guess what, guys? We made it. Oh no! Oh no! Nah, I don't have the confidence for that one, y'all. Do not have the confidence for that one. Hey, Mr. Squirrel, how are you? Hello. Where'd the squirrel go? Can we harass him? I don't know where he went. He probably ran up the tree. Probably ran up the tree. Yeah, I think he's out there. Alright, we're not gonna get caught up in the squirrel before I get stuck in a tree. The battery life on this thing though, guys, I've got a 4S, I believe 850 milliamp hour on here. It is gonna be on the heavier side. Would honestly recommend a 650, but this is gonna be to get you the longest battery life, which is close to like 8 minutes, I think. This battery wasn't fully charged when we started. We were at like 16.4 volts. So I mean, currently 14.9, so what the heck? I mean, we're chilling. No worries at all. Hey, cars. Hello, everyone. Hello. I mean, this guy just flies so good, y'all. Like, what is there not to love? Like, this thing just, it whips. It whips around, it flies good. It moves through the air nice. It's honestly not getting blown around as bad as I had expected. To be fair, the wind's not really blowing too bad today in general. It's not too windy of a day, so that could also be playing a big factor. If it's windy, you're done. There's no point in even taking this thing outside. You guys can see a little bit of the shake right there in the wind. And I mean, I just love how good it moves. Like, by no means is it a 5-inch in acro mode, but still whips around, as you guys can see. I mean, I'm not gonna take her too crazy high. I guess I could, but I don't know. I just don't want to get stuck like in a tree or anything, because there ain't really no getting this thing out. CADX Vista resolution's okay. It's not the best thing in the world. I mean, it's better than analog by all means, so. Analog was trash, as many of you know. Oh, she did not like that. She did not like that, guys. She did not like that. So, yeah, that was a good little experiment. That was fun. It was fun. I enjoyed that. Going up high, 14.5 volts, so not bad. The wind is blowing a little bit, so I'm having to compensate for it. Oh, on the sticks, I can definitely feel it. You guys can see the flag blowing there. Oh yeah, she's blowing. She's a blowing. The wind is definitely a getting it, so. Let me know what you guys think though of this little guy out here, outside. I'm honestly in love with it. I can't believe I just did that and it worked. I'm honestly in love with this little guy. Flies good. I've had it for a little bit. I haven't really flown it too much. I broke it pretty quickly. I'll show you guys inside what I'm talking about. We'll bounce inside and talk a little bit about this little guy before I let y'all go. Hopefully you enjoyed the footage though so far. I just wanted to start it out with the footage. That seems to make things a little bit more interesting for everybody. I'll just give you a quick overview though when we're done. We'll bounce inside, talk ever so slightly about this little guy, and then I will get you guys on the way with the rest of your lives. So let's see if we can't make it through here. Beautiful. All right, guys, it is time for us to land. Battery is approaching 14 volts, so and that's that. So beautiful time today, guys. Beautiful time out here. Really enjoy flying this little guy. Look at her, she's so tiny. She's so tiny. The leaf is like the same size as it. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed. I'll catch you inside. What's up, guys? I told you we'd catch you inside, and here we are. And here's the Iflight Alpha a85, and my overall thoughts and opinions have changed since we were flying through the sky. It has had another wreck, and ripperino to the a85. Yeah, guys, the build quality on this thing is not that great in my opinion. It's really not, it's not doing it for me. This thing is the second time it's broke. I really haven't flown it that much. The motor wires are thin, they're cheap, they don't have a good channel to get tucked into. Like, the way this thing is designed, there's just no actual room to hide these motor wires. Like, they're just out there and about, and they easily come out of the little groove. Tried putting electrical tape, I just, no. Nah, guys, I'm on the quest to find a better tiny whoop, so if you have any recommendations, please leave them down below, and I will be happy to make a little video on that guy. But this guy, I will honestly have to say, save your money. There are better options, I am sure. If anything, we will build one that is better, because this is just not going to do it. And probably end up ripping the CATX Vista out of here, throw it in a different quad, and call it a day, because I'm really just overall done with this. I don't feel like trying to convince somebody to solder the wires for me because I'm not capable, and I don't feel like messing it up because, yeah, I can't even see these wires. They're so tiny, guys. Yeah, realistically, that's all I have to say on the matter. Remember, hit the like, leave me a comment down below, press that subscribe button if you haven't already, because it literally means nothing to you guys and absolutely everything to me. We're getting there. We're getting there. I've noticed the more subscribers are coming, so I'm going to keep mentioning it until y'all start flowing. Anyways, that's it. That's all I got to say about the a85. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, my name's Ashton. Have a beautiful day, and be nice to everybody. Peace.